how to clear iPhone cache. So clearing the cache on your iPhone can help you to improve performance and free up storage space. While iOS doesn't prefer a single button to clear all caches, so there are few steps that you can to take to clear the cache from the specific app and the system. Here the process how you can do that. Very first step is that if you are using the Safari, clearing the cache help you to free up space and improve performance. Go for your setting. Once you are on your setting, scroll down, go for your app option. Here on your app option, go for the Safari here. So once you are on your Safari, you have to look for the clear history and web browse data. Just go for that and tap on the clear history and web browse data, and help you to it will help you to improve the performance of your Safari app after clearing the history and web data. And after that, you can clear the app cache for individual app. So many apps store data locally that can be cleared. So for an example, soap app likes Facebook, Instagram have an option to clear cache directly in the app setting. So go for your setting, tap on the general option, go for your iPhone storage, find the app that you want to clear the data for. And after that, you have to just go and tap on the offload app. So you can either delete the app or offloading the app. So deleting the app removes all data while offloading it keeps the app document and data keep the app document and data but remove the app itself. Also you can simply restart your device. A simple start can help you to clear some system cache and refresh the system. Press and hold the power button and the volume off button at the same time until the slider appears. And you have to slide to power off. And to turn on your iPhone, long press on your power button until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. So that's it. I hope that this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.